ready to transform your design skills and craft stunning logos that leave a lasting impression. Let's dive in. First, visualize. Think about your brand's essence. Is it playful, professional, or something else? Consider your target audience and choose a concept that reflects it to get a design started. Next, sketch. Start with pencil and paper. Freely explore your ideas. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes, fonts, and layouts. Remember, a strong logo will be simple and easy to recognize. Now to Illustrator. Use the shape tools. Experiment with basic shapes like rectangles, circles, and lines. Then, use the direct selection tool to customize each shape and make it part of a greater form. Pathfinder is your friend. It's a powerful tool for combining, subtracting, and intersecting shapes. This is how you build complexity and create unique forms. Try them and find out which fits your design. Choose the perfect font. Fonts contribute to the overall message. Pick a font that aligns with your brand's personality. Adjust the kerning and tracking for visual harmony. Color is essential. Select colors that reflect your brand identity and resonate with your audience. Consistency here is key, so work with the palette and use the swatches panel to save colors for easy application. Finally, test and refine. Does your logo look good in various sizes and on different backgrounds? Your logo also needs to be versatile. Make small adjustments to ensure the best overall result. Remember, the best logos are simple, memorable, versatile, and relevant. Keep practicing, and you'll be creating amazing logos in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.